Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time watching me, please kindly subscribe, I beg you, and do not forget to press that notification bell in case I post any video. So today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious catfish and scent leaf. All you need is your scent leaf, your onions. I'm using 2 because you need a lot of onions, and your native pepper, we call it omorima, and my grounded pepper. You can also use fresh pepper if you wish. My crayfish, you can also use big crayfish. My mangi and my banga spice. Why I use this banga spice, you can go for any. You can use it in banga, you can use it in whatever. So first I'm going to grind my onions, my crayfish. I'm putting it on my catfish. Oh my god, I'm going to drop the link below how I wash my catfish, because I've already did a video before how I wash my catfish. That's why I didn't put it here for you to see it. So if you want to know how to wash catfish, I'm going to put the link below, or you just click on my page and you will see the video. So I'm adding salt to it. Oh my god, this catfish is calling me. Say, call me baby, call me baby, come on, hit me baby, eat me baby. This is going to look delicious. As you can see, you read it, is so you can use it in jollof rice, melon soup, pepper soup, okra soup, and so forth and so forth. This spices is so really good. It's really good. You have all the ingredients of this pepper soup spices on it, so that's why I'm using it, for you to save yourself the stress. You understand? You can see it in any Africa shop close to you, for those of you that is in Europe. But if you are in Nigeria or African country, you know now we get spices now. So I'm adding my pepper. Oh my god. Oh, the way the catfish is the catfish is going. So I'm adding my maggi to it. I can't even wait for me to even eat it. Like, the way the catfish is going, this is going to look delicious. As you can see, it's even calling me. Come and eat me. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe for more videos. I had my scent leaf to eat. Note, your scent leaf will be the last for you to put after having all your ingredients. So it's going to be the last for you to put, and then you cover it for some time for it to get summarized with your ingredients. Pepper soup, catfish. So this is what it look like. Yummy. Please kindly subscribe.